In this video, you will learn to manage your parent account. Once you've logged into your profile, on your Who's Learning page, click Manage Account at the top left-hand corner. In your Manage Account menu, you'll see 5 tabs. My Account, where you can edit your personal information, and then click Update to finalize. You'll also have the Manage Payments tab, where you have 3 payment options: credit card, bank transfer, and cash payment. Under the bank transfer tab, you'll find your account details as well as the transfer details for each of our bank accounts. Please follow the instructions as well as to send your confirmation of payment to paymentconfirmation@oneacademy.com. Next is cash payment. This is facilitated through Bill Express. Here you will find the instructions as to how to make a cash payment for your tutoring sessions or group course. Remember that payments for subscriptions are only accepted through the credit card payment option. Up next is membership pricing. Here you will see the different memberships that we have available as well as the price. We currently have our 6-month, 12-month, 1-month, and 3-month plan. Click the drop-down menu to select your desired plan. Then click Get This Plan. From there, you'll be brought to the billing page where you'll enter your information. If you have a coupon code, verify your account information, billing address, as well as your card details. Once you've confirmed all of that information, you click Subscribe to select your plan. Once your subscription is finalized, you'll see it at the top right-hand corner of your screen. Up next is the Manage Top-Up option. You can see your total balance next to the $sign in the middle of the screen. From here, you have 4 different top-up options. You are also able to select your own amount. From here, you will enter the amount that you would like to top up for. Check the checkbox, then click Top Up. Then you'll have the payment window where you can choose one of the 3 options to make your payments: credit card, cash payment, or bank transfer. If you so happen to select bank transfer or cash payment, click See More and it will bring you to the payment instructions. If you're using a credit card, similar workflow for subscriptions will apply. Finally, within your Manage Account menu, you are able to update your password. In this menu, you'll need to enter your old password, then your new password, and enter your new password again to confirm, then select Update. That's all for now. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always email us at studentsuccess@oneacademy.com.